Hello everyone. Myself Professor Neha Bura from SNJ Bizlet So KB Jain College of Engineering Chandwad. Under digital learning, today we will see how to use Kahoot platform. Kahoot is a free game-based learning platform that makes it fun to learn any subject. This learning platform makes it easy for any individual or corporation to create, share and play learning games. Kahoot games or quiz can be played anywhere in person or virtually using any device with an internet connection. Kahoot play and create quizzes with the help of Android also. Now, as a teacher, how to create quiz, we can follow these steps. First step is you have to type the Kahoot on a Google. So you can see the two websites are there, kahoot.it and kahoot.com. Basically, kahoot.it is for user to enter in the game, and the next one is a kahoot.com is used by the teacher to create the quizzes. So once you click on this, so we can log in or we can sign up. If we have already an account, we can directly log in. Otherwise, we need to create an account. So with the help of sign up, by filling the basic information like we need to select the account type, then we need to select the workplace, that is higher education. With the help of email and password or with the help of continue with the Google, we can directly create our account. So I will go with the continue with the Google because I have already my Kahoot account. So this is the basic GUI of the Kahoot. There are different paid plans, but we'll go with a free trial, that is a basic plan. For creation of the quizzes, at the right hand side, you can see the button, that is a create. We need to click on that button, and then there are number of templates available. Some of templates are paid and some of free. So I will create the basic one, that is a new Kahoot, and I will click on the create button. Once you click on this, you can see the basic GUI. In this, we can type our question here. We can add the images as well as video that is related to the question. Then we can add the four options, answer 1, 2, 3, 4. And if the number of questions are large, we can directly import the spreadsheet. The ready-made template is available. So you need to just write down the questions in this format and you can import the number of questions directly. Then at the right hand side, the type is mentioned, that is question type. It may be a true false quiz, then puzzle type, answer, poll and etc. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Then we can set the limit of the question solving according to the level of the question. So it may be the starting from 5 seconds to 4 minutes. Then we can provide the points to each questions. We can give the double points for hard questions. Then answer options available, we can select the single also and the multiple answers also. So these are some basic information. With the help of this, we can create a quiz related to our subject. Then once you create the quiz, you can see the quizzes here under the My Kahoot tab. I have already created a number of tests related to my subject, so I will show one of them. Here is the test in which I have added the images, I have added the questions and etc. So in the left hand side, we can see the particular CG Unit 1 quiz is already created, and I can click on edit if I want to again modify my questions, or we can directly go with the play. So once you click on the play, you can found the two options. The one is for virtual classrooms and one is for self-paced learning. In this, student can take the challenge and solve the examinations according to their time. And in the for virtual classroom, student directly solve live examinations, or we can say quizzes or game. So I will select this one. Once you click on this, again, there are two options. The first one is a classic, that is one to one, player to player, and the another one is a team versus team. So we'll go with the one to one. Here at the bottom, we need to click show questions and answers on player's device. It is very important tab, we can say, because if you don't select this, the students are only able to see the answers. And if they are on a different locations, then we need to show them both the options. So for that, show questions and answers on a player device is an important thing. So we need to make it as a on. And you can check that you can randomize your questions order, you can randomize the order of answers also, and etc. You can add the musics and etc. while the particular game is going on. So once you click all this, you need to click on a classic, and you can check that the game pin is rated here. This is the unique game pin for your quiz. So you need to ask for the student, you need to ask for the student to enter this particular pin. So you need to first ask to student to download the particular Kahoot app on their mobile. Once they download the Kahoot app on their mobile, it's a web service also, and you can find out the app also. And the particular student needs to type this particular game pin in their mobile. And once they type this, they need to again insert their particular name. And once they do all the activities, their name is visible on the dashboard, and number of students are shown at the left hand side corner. All the students were joined, then after that you can start your examinations, and this is nothing but the way how you can conduct the examinations. And once your examinations will end, after that you can see the number of options here. The reports is also available. So once you click on report, the examination is whether it is in active mode, whether it is a finished one, and etc. is mentioned here. And at the right hand side corner, if you click on the particular download report, you can see the particular report related to the Kahoot examination. So this is the overview: played on which date, hosted by whom, then how many players are there, joint players are there, how many actually played players are there, how many given the correct answer, incorrect answers, what is the score related to this, then final scores, the ranking of each and every students, then the Kahoot. And according to this analysis, you can found that which questions are mostly not attempted by the students, or which questions are required more attentions. So according to that, you can take the survey of this. So there is number of features also available in this. So this is the basic thing which I have explained to create the quiz. Thank you.